exposure.
Yep. Camera is live. You ready to watch me sink into this? Because I'm going to be too fat to not.
Get that.
Come on! Oh, yeah.
Do it again.
Except now the problem is I have to rely on you to take all the pictures.
Say be quiet. No.
What kind of co-pilot are you if you can't even bring me no chocolate?
If we go to you both just sitting. What's the cloud cover?
It's all sour and it's all vinegar and all. It's just chewing on soggy bread with some fucking sweet out. It's like, yeah, so we put spot dips on for that. Put in the heat and that heat cheap bounce.
That's why I never go for the custard or their signature orders because there's just so much shit. It's like, if you're okay, let's say you have roast beef. Let's say it's just roast beef, and then they put this is a signature sandwich. They put on tomato, onion, lettuce, fucking bell peppers. You're fucking putting too much on there. You're taking away the taste of the meat.
You know what? I always make custom sandwiches. Roast beef, cheddar, lettuce, onion, pickles, tomato, and sweet green sauce.
Add pepper to it. Just black pepper. Those are my names. Steak and cheese, spread that. Lettuce, mayo, pepper. Simple. Tastes good. ski.
I'm not a protein shirt. Strapped on my hat like a football. Like a football wheels, but instead I wear them on my feet.
I have protein shakes and it's not enough for my skin.
Or like have a marine and just be Bluetooth in your house logo, so you just put your side booster just this way. So still get enough photos for that, and just fly around and around. Why do I hear ringing? Oh, I'm skiing right now. How are you doing that? Well, every once in a while I stop and maybe pull the iPhone out and see it sliding. Yeah, those are just.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not sure if you can see it from the side. Some of the track.
I bet you can see it from that view.
Oh, from Dirty Face? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, there's a bunch of really fucking good hikes. Like there,
Yeah.
there's a hike, you go right up the road that way, about another 10 miles.
Mm-hmm.
You go up to pass that way. It's called Little Giant Pass and Big Giant Pass. And it runs in the deep villages.
Mm-hmm.
And it looks like something out of fucking class. Out there on the road. There's just skills, man. Stuff. Get exposed, climbing them, get the
Yep.
to do them.
Yep.
You still should want to ski.
I gotta ski. Aside from off-track experience or whatever, mm-hmm. How's it going?
Good.
Doing good yourself?
Beautiful day.
Yeah.
Sure. Have a good one.
This is the cream milk and chocolate sauce. Go. How good is Christmas?
What?
Is it with your parents? It's your many parents? Or with everybody?
Christmas usually at my family, my mom's side of the family, make it out. And then Christmas Day, Sabrina's hanging in the background. And then I was on a boat Christmas. All the family.
Still.
No.
Is there a tree in your apartment? My mom was asking me if you guys grew up in the
Yeah, probably. Really cool.
I remember. Did the captain say, look at what NASCAR was last year, what a great guy, he's so awesome? He's so awesome, too. Good until January 18th. I'm not 5. Probably tomorrow to go to seminary.
I don't think we're going to push the whole part of
Yeah, it's really long to do.
No, the school board out back.
You can take Franco coffee this time.
You just don't like that. I don't know, it's just a black person. I mean, I get it. But like, you just like, you pass the state and you get the chance to do TV.
Muffy. Really cool follow this.
I don't even do it. I should have been doing that. He's like legit.
There's a picture before you see the job duties. There's a picture of two guys in bathroom suits post. Yeah, that's okay. Crazy.
I was scared. Yeah. They do
Oil
that.
spills in the room.
They do that. They just powder it.
Bacon.
Because the state handles all. They really keep you healthy.
I don't know if I get it because I mean they put 1 year experience and list all this shit. Hazardous cleaner, disaster response, blah blah blah, and then like towards the end it says environmental restoration. I'm like, okay, I got a year and a half on that, but that's not really what I'm looking for. I mean, part of the what they're looking for is just so happening. I'm also looking for somebody to just invest. No, we're getting that going forward. I'm doing a disaster. That's
It was hot.
yeah, that's why I didn't want to do it.
And then at this point, you gotta take what you can get and go do that shit. It's getting brighter now, so it's fine.
Yeah.
All good.
And I could go back to Park and Rec again. You know, the season. Or the irrigation field.
You might as well popular.
They're gonna notify me when the
Yeah,
job's posted.
Mm-hmm.
And when I apply to probably get to choose who else will be the first to apply because most students do not apply. And
Is
they're
that
working
PC?
until July.
Yeah, it's just DC and I bet they do want to.
Well, I think they have a sponsorship from higher. They don't want to create a new spot for the fucking program. They're gonna have surplus in their budget control. I'm not having to hire anybody for the 2020 or 2021. It was cool to work for public works during COVID. The fucking ghost town, nobody was that employed. All quiet, barely even had to take care of themselves.
The best way to grow your audience on YouTube is to start making YouTube shorts, which I technically did while I was in law school, but I didn't post on your shorts so you don't get propagated. It's like I'm really against doing a trendy stuff like that. I'm not going to do it on TikTok and probably not post shorts on Instagram.
Yeah, me as well.
Yeah.
I go on YouTube. But at least you're doing it for a video sharing platform. More for yourself.
you're fucked because I have the car keys.
Just show me the keys. Cute little duckling.
What's the matter? You decided that looked like fun?
I go on a log.
Caution, going through these trees, it's just straight ice. Must get sticky under there. Ready to go South Park. Alright, I'm gonna go over to the camera. Rotate. I'm gonna try and rotate the camera over here. That's not ideal. Why are you gangstering so bad? Yeah. This might be a one-way trip.
Alright, you two, I'm gonna go back and join Nash out there on the log.
like a